This video is produced by the UCD Math Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video we will be looking at an introduction to proof by induction. For all induction questions, the idea is to prove that a given statement is true. An example of such a statement would be, prove that 11 to the power of n minus 6 is divisible by 5 for every positive integer n. The general approach to tackle something like this would be as follows. We would initially start with the base case, where we show that this is true for n is equal to 1. To do this, we would substitute for n as 1 and find that 11 minus 6 is divisible by 5. The next step is to assume it is true for n is equal to k. The third step is to prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Step 3 requires the most work and thought. The idea is that we assume it is true for n is equal to k, and using this assumption, we prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1, thus proving that it is true for every positive integer n. There are four main categories of statements that have to be proven using induction: divisibility, series, inequalities, and De Morgan's theorem. The fourth category, the proof by induction of De Morgan's theorem, is covered in section 3.1.7. In the next video we will see some examples of how proof by induction is used on divisibility. When you complete a question on divisibility for proof by induction, at the very bottom of the question you should include the following. We have shown that this is true for n is equal to 1, which is called our base case. We have assumed it's true for n is equal to k, and we have proven it's true for n is equal to k plus 1. And the key part being, therefore, it is true for all positive integers n.